This 2025 Winnebago Revel 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features a Overlander, gray, oak interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, water heater, awning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, external shower, stove-top burner, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Revel 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.